Say hello to Bob the bird. Bob's an albino. He has no tail, and he picks his feathers out around his neck. Now they don't know, they couldn't tell me whether he took his own tail out or whether maybe one of his brothers and sisters were picking on him and took it out. But that would explain why he started feather plucking. Because that's what happened to Jesse when his friend was picking on him, and that's what started feather plucking, and Jesse never stopped. Now hopefully, to get Bob to stop before he gets too carried away about it. I've only had him 2-3 days. He wasn't used to being handled at all. So in those couple of days, I've managed to get him to step up on my finger. Come on, Bob. Good boy. Good boy, Bob. Good boy. And backwards here, perch. Good boy, Bob. Good boy. So for somebody that didn't know anything, he's come along pretty good. Starting to get used to all the commotion around here. And he's quite content. Quiet as a church mouse. Which is wonderful because unfortunately Sunny wanted to be out of her cage all the time. And around here that's just not possible. So every time I put her back in her cage, she just would scream and scream and scream. And it just wasn't good for either one of us. She wasn't happy, I wasn't happy. And she probably needs to be with another bird, and I didn't feel like I wanted 2 birds. This guy's a little bit younger. He's obviously got some issues, but I can deal with that. Oh, he's that kitty. Oh, there's that kitty. So I think we're off to a pretty good start, and stay tuned. See what happens. As far as I'm concerned, Bob's a keeper. He's not going anywhere. Right, Bob? Right, Bob? Stay right, Bob.